Hi everyone, we got ourselves a fresh to the floor 2012 XL1200C or Sportster 1200 Custom. Working our way to the front, this bike is relatively stock. It's got a couple extras on it, I'll point those out as we go. Wheels are stock, it does have a 1200cc engine, 5-speed transmission. Grips were changed out. Hi everyone. It does have a sundowner seat on it. Also a quick detach backrest and luggage rack. Bike is very clean. But never ever take my word for it. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson, 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. Or of course, if you have questions, give us a call, or if you want to set up an appointment, 920-498-8822.